Alright, so this is my Hurco km3 with the Ultimax 2 controller on it. Both of these screens have gone out, and that's why I'm retrofitting it. It's got the servo craft motors on there with the encoders. And I'm working on doing this retrofit with a Mesa 5i25 and 7i77 board. I'm to the point where I'm trying to figure out what's the least amount of wiring I can take apart and what would be the least amount of trouble. I figured out some of these relays. I know this comes on with the power button, and I believe this one comes on with the power button, but it was working the whole time without a relay in there. I have yet to see this relay come on. This one powers on the servos, this one powers on flood coolant, and this one's mist coolant, and this one's my spindle. So I'm pretty okay with all this. I need to trace these back and figure out which relay is connected where at in this terminal block. I found the schematics for these Servocraft Max 400 drivers. So if I trace these wires back, they end up just going into these plugs here. So I guess I'll end up figuring out where these plugs are, or just disconnecting these wires completely, and then I'll reuse these blocks, and that's what will plug into my 5i77, I believe, 7i77. I guess I'm not sure where to start, where to find the e-stop circuit. I know that this board back in here is my end stops for the servos. I'm not sure what this servo block is, or this this block is, or what this terminal block is. I know some of the schematics for the KMB mill that I've seen posted, you're able to determine them, and then I've got that terminal block down there as well. And I guess I'm not sure which one of these I need to start searching, or how to search for which one of these is going to be my e-stop. Some of these have numbers on them, but I trace them back and they seem to not correlate anywhere. Like, a lot of these will loop around just from here, and they go around and then into these terminal blocks here. So I guess I'm not sure where to go from here. Thanks. Any help would be greatly appreciated.